guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to Cookmas Day 15. Today we are making something delicious. As always, I'm gonna show you how I make my burger sauce. Delicious. Trust me, if you try it, you're not gonna buy it anymore. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Yes, this sauce, you can use it for your burgers. You can even use it for your chips. Delicious. So here in the bowl we have some mayonnaise. Yes, all that white thing you see there is mayonnaise. Now we're gonna add some smoked paprika. We're gonna add some mixed herbs. Then we're gonna add some mustard. Now I am adding my organic honey. Yes, this is raw and organic honey. Yes, but if you do not have it, you can use whichever honey you have. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. Yes, and I'm adding some apple cider vinegar. I'm adding some chopped shallots. You can use chopped onion instead of the shallot. That's completely fine. And now I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning mixed with a Maggi chicken cube. Now I am adding some tomato paste, tomato puree. Add some black or white pepper. So now we're gonna crush some fresh garlic in there and we're gonna mix it nicely, very nicely. And trust me, this is the best thing ever, like the best thing ever. If you want the list of the ingredients, I'm gonna leave it in the description box so you can find it there. Yes, with the measurements and everything is all gonna be in there. Now we're gonna mix it very nicely. I'm gonna taste it to see if it's on point. Yes. And after tasting it, I noticed it was lacking a little bit of salt. So I'm gonna add a bit of salt to it and it's gonna be perfection, like perfection. Trust me, I'm not gonna bring you a recipe on YouTube here if I have not tried it, if I did not enjoy it. Yes, I will not do so. So trust me, try this burger sauce and you will see, like okay, let me stop praising my sauce, even though, listen, this sauce was delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you very much for liking the video, for subscribing, for sharing. Thank you so much. Yeah, and see you tomorrow.